How new words become part of a language? Let's discuss the different methods of how neologism takes place.
1. Borrowing, the direct adoption of a word from another language with minimal changes to its structure or sound. Examples include safari from Swahili and cafe from French. 2. Calque, loan translation the literal, word-forward translation of a foreign phrase or compound word into the native language's own words. Examples include skyscraper, translated literally into many languages, like the German Wockenkratzer and flea market from the French Marche aux Puces. 3. Compounding, the process of joining two or more independent, existing words together to form a completely new single word. Examples include smartphone and bookcase. 4. Blending, fusing fragmented pieces of two separate words together, usually the beginning of the first word and the end of the second, to create a combined meaning. Examples include brunch, breakfast plus lunch, and smog, smoke plus fog. 5. Derivation, affixation adding bound morphemes, such as prefixes or suffixes, to an existing root word to alter its meaning or change its grammatical category. Examples include unfriend and cybersecurity. 6. Conversion, functional shift, changing the grammatical category or part of speech of an existing word without altering its spelling or pronunciation in any way. Examples include to Google, converting the noun Google into a verb, and a must, converting the modal verb must into a noun. 7. Backformation, creating a shorter word by mistakenly analyzing an existing word as having an affix, and then removing that perceived prefix or suffix. Examples include to edit, formed by removing the perceived suffix from editor, and televise from television. 8. Clipping, shortening a long, polysyllabic word by deleting one or more syllables while keeping the original meaning and word class exactly the same. Examples include gym from gymnasium and flu from influenza. 9. Acronyms, taking the initial letters of a multi-word phrase or title and pronouncing the resulting sequence as a single, coherent word. Examples include laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, and scuba, self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. 10. Initialisms, forming a word from the initial letters of a phrase, where the resulting sequence is pronounced letter by letter rather than as a unified word. Examples include URL and BBC. 11. Coinage, neologism, the invention of an entirely new, original root word from scratch, frequently occurring in commercial branding or fiction. Examples include nylon and aspirin. 12. Eponyms, new words that enter a language by being derived directly from the proper name of a specific person, place, or character. Examples include sandwich, named after the Earl of Sandwich, and boycott, named after Captain Charles Boycott.